And now, your first alert Storm Center forecast.
Thanks for joining us tonight on 5 News at 6. It was a bit milder today than yesterday. We got in the lower 60s, better than the 50s, right? But we will be dropping pretty quickly into the 50s, already down to 56 by 7. And by 11 o'clock tonight, already down in the mid-40s under clear skies. The temperatures will drop very quickly under the clear skies for tonight. And we do have another frost advisory in effect. I thought we would get one. I mentioned that last night because temperatures will be pretty similar than they were last night. So I thought we'd get another one, and we got it. 2 a.m. to 9 a.m. on Monday is when it's in effect for all the counties you see here in blue. So if you have any plants outside, be sure to bring them inside or at least cover them up because they won't be able to survive the temperatures tonight that are in the 30s. All is quiet on our live pinpoint Doppler radar, and it'll stay quiet into the day tomorrow as well, thanks to this high pressure system which will be sliding eastward and bring us brighter skies than we saw for today. We had a few clouds pop up for today, but tomorrow looks pretty bright. It was a cold start to this morning. 35 we got down to in Clarksburg, 32 over in Elkins. It held around 40 though in Sutton and Glenville, and tonight temperatures will be pretty similar to what we saw last night. Right now, 61 here in Clarksburg. That's our high so far for today. 63 up in Morgantown, and 59 right now in Elkins. Now, if you stick around, I'll let you know how much milder we will get for this upcoming week in your first alert forecast.
And now, your first alert Storm Center forecast.
Thank you for joining us again here on 5 News at 6. Meteorologist Brian Donegan with you. Another frosty, cold night for tonight, dropping down into the middle 30s for most of north central West Virginia thanks to those clear skies. And patchy frost will be developing after 2 o'clock in the morning or so. I'll show you that frost advisory in just a second here. We'll drop down to the lower 30s in the mountains, 33 over in Davis, 32 in Elkins. They'll be our colder spots for tonight. Generally middle 30s for the rest of us, some upper 30s in 100, West Union, and Sutton overnight tonight. So cold just about everywhere. Take a look at our weather headlines now. More frost for tonight, as I mentioned, frost advisory in effect. But a very nice day to go back to work and school, unfortunately. Temperatures getting into the lower 70s for tomorrow, nothing but sunshine as well. But we do turn warmer but unsettled by Tuesday and Wednesday of this week. Now here's that frost advisory. It goes into effect at 2 a.m., lasts until 9 o'clock on Monday morning for basically all of north central West Virginia. All the counties in our area are highlighted in blue. That's that frost advisory. So bring in any plants if you have them outside, or at least cover them up if you can't bring them in. Now, we didn't get any record lows last night. Wheeling tied their record low at 38, but no one broke a record low. And for tonight, going to be a pretty similar story. We'll come close, though. The record's 34 in Clarksburg, forecasting 36. Elkins will come the closest. Their record's 31. We're forecasting a low of the freezing mark. So it'll be close, but either way, it's going to be cold, even though it won't be any record lows for tonight. Live pinpoint Doppler radar, all is quiet. Just a few clouds out there at this 6 o'clock hour, and skies will clear out overnight. 61 right now in Clarksburg. It's 59 in Elkins. Warm spot right now, 65 out in Parkersburg. Now for the day on Monday, going back to work and school, lower 70s for the high, so a very nice day. Nothing but sunshine as well, and about 10 degrees milder than we saw on Sunday. So it'll feel very nice outside. I hope you get the chance to get out on your lunch break and at least enjoy it for a little bit. Elkins will be the cool spot for tomorrow, coming in at 66. For the rest of us, either side of 70 degrees, 71 for Clarksburg, 72 for Glenville, 70 for Webster Springs by Monday afternoon. Now here's that 7-day forecast. A warm front approaches for the day on Tuesday, so we get up near 80 degrees, but we have some spotty showers to deal with for the afternoon. So take the umbrella in case you run into one of those showers. Cold front approaches for Wednesday, but out ahead of it, we get up to 80 degrees, and some scattered thunderstorms will develop, most likely during the afternoon hours, but it could rain at any point during the day on Wednesday. So have that umbrella handy, just in case, a mix of sun and clouds otherwise. Then we have a leftover isolated shower or two for the day on Thursday. Temperatures, though, still pretty warm in the upper 70s, and the cooler air gets in here for Friday. Temperatures struggle to get to 70 degrees. We'll call it 69 or so. A few spotty showers in the forecast. Most of the day is dry, though. First half of the weekend, just some hit or miss showers. Otherwise, a mix of sun and clouds, so don't cancel your outdoor plans, because most of the day will probably be dry. Second half of the weekend, the nicer half of the weekend, temperatures in mid-70s with nothing but sunshine.
All right, well, we're going to take a look at our final forecast. What do we have in store for us coming up today and for the rest of the work week?
Unfortunately, more frost for tonight, but once we get past that, we get back in the 70s for the day on Monday. Probably the nicest day of the week with plenty of sunshine and low humidity. Then we have some unsettled weather to deal with for most of the week. We're near 80 degrees on Tuesday with spotty showers. We get to 80 on Wednesday. That's when we'll probably deal with the wettest day of the week with scattered thunderstorms around. A little bit drier for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Just some hit or miss showers all 3 of those days. And finally dry by this time next week.
So it's back up to those warmer temperatures.
Yeah, we'll be warmer once we get past the frost tonight. So back to the springtime weather.
So we have to fight through that frost, and then we'll get to the warmth.
Put the defroster on your windshield of your car, and then we'll
hopefully be
there.
ready. All right, perfect. Well, thank you so much, and we'll be back here for 5 News at 11.